Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a blessed day today. Today I thought we would do a get ready with me using several new products I've been getting and hauling, buying, all that fun stuff. And I did a very simple, quick, put together kind of look. And my eyes look kind of red, you guys, here because I poked myself in the eye towards the end. Go figure, every time I use a plastic brush mascara, I literally poke my eye out. So we're using some AOA Studio, Profusion, hard candy stuff. To get started, I'm using the WetnWild cucumber spray. It's their 3-in-1 spray, and that helps with some of my redness and just helps to fresh the face. And this is Profusion eyeshadow primer. I'm loving this so far. It has a really nice consistency similar to the Milani eyeshadow primer, and it gives a nice base and allows your eyeshadow to stay vibrant and no creasing all day. I love it. This is LaColors' new product, and it's a brow pen. It's like a tattoo kind of pen thing, and I was skeptical of this, and I did start by doing like hair strokes through my brows, which I really have been wanting to try a pen like this, and I found it at the Dollar Tree for $1, so what's not to love about this product? And then I literally just went in and I ended up filling in my entire brow. Like, I just fall back into that routine. But I do love this for a basic fill-in brow with light hair strokes. It's really awesome. This is KleanColor's ArchAlly brow pencil, and I'm just using this to perfect the brows. Once again, I did get that pencil from jbeves.com. $1. Really good. I love the matte side, hate the shimmery side, and I'm just using that to do concealer and perfect the brow, like I said. And we're going to blend that in. And this is AOA Studio's primer, I think. It has a really nice smell. I think this does a decent job at filling in pores. It's not super special, to be honest, but I do love the scent, and it's not like super silicone-y feeling, but it does a decent job at primer, if that makes sense. Like, I don't think it's silicone free, but it doesn't feel super silicone-y. Oh my goodness. Anyways, this is their new foundation, and I'm using just a little squirt of that. It takes forever to squirt out of the bottle. Spilt it on my mirror also there. And I'm using the Equate blending sponge, which I adore, by the way. Equate has some good brushes and sponges. Don't sleep on them just because they're affordable and cheaper than the rest. And the shade that I have is Porcelain, and I will admit it's a little light for my skin tone, but I don't believe that I can go to the next shade. Typically their foundations are perfect for my skin tone, or they're a little too yellow, they're a little too peachy pink. Just depends. This one I can make work. It is a little light, but by the time we add our powders, bronze, blush, and all that, we've made it work. It's fine. I blend it down my neck and all that. It blends in really nicely. It has decent coverage. It's not a full coverage foundation by any means, but you can build it up. And I do think it looks a little patchy on my cheeks and a little on my nose area. So I'm going to play with this more before we do a full review. And that's their AOA Studio concealer for $1.55, I believe. Really nice concealer. I love using it under my eyes. Blends out very easy. Has very good coverage, in my opinion. I actually love it. And as the look comes together on the face, I think it looks really good. But once again, that foundation, we're going to test it more before I can have really final thoughts on this. And this is my new CoverGirl TruBlend powder in Banana. I like how finely milled this is. I like that it's not super duper yellow, and it's just enough that it has that brightening cast to it, and it just makes your under eyes look really good, in my opinion. No wonder Oh My Glasses loves this so much. This is AOA Studio Perfect Pressed Powder in Porcelain also. Once again, I probably should have gotten a shade darker in this particular pressed powder because it's really light and I'm getting a white ghost like cast. But like I said, later on when we blend all this out and we add our bronzer and stuff, I look normal. So even in the sunlight and everything, I look fine. But just some shades, you know, choices that were made there. But yeah. So we're going to buff all that out, and it's going to give me this airbrush kind of finish to your skin and all your products. And like I said, you can see on my nose, I'm not happy with that. A+ setting spray, also $1 something on Shop Miss A. Really wonderful setting spray. I'm setting my makeup in place so I don't look cakey or anything. This is Believe Beauty's brow gel. Yes. Very good, awesome product. My brows stayed placed all day long. That brow pen by LaColors didn't budge, smudge, anything. Like, I'm really liking that. This is also LaColors bronzer, or pressed powder and tan, but I use it for bronzer. Perfect for fair tone gals. I love this powder for bronzing and contouring. It's not too warm, it's not too cool, it's in between, and I just love it. So we're going to buff all that out, and I'm using the AOA Studio Perfect blush in Darling, and I have to say that I have to layer this a ton, build it up a ton. It's really light. Honestly, I was disappointed because of all the layering. It's super light. I'm not even a super fan of the formulation of the blush, to be honest. It's not terrible, but maybe try in a different shade in the future. This is CreamPuff AOA Studio Highlighter, Baked Highlighter. Fantastic product. The blush, though, was just, it took so much time building it up, and it didn't perform how I thought it would. And so, therefore, just disappointment. I may pass it on to my mom because she's a lot more fair than I am. And she may get more use out of it. So, I highlighted my entire face. I look glowy. I love it. I love how this turned out. The blush is really pretty though on, but it just takes a lot of work. Now, today we're using the Profusion Emeralds eyeshadow palette, and you would think that I would use greens in this, and I probably would have, but I just wanted to do a basic, quick, simple, everyday kind of look. Super powdery eyeshadows, nothing new with Profusion, but they perform phenomenal. This is just a matte brown, and I'm windshield wipering that super messily in my crease. This look takes minutes to achieve, and I believe I only use 1 or 2 makeup brushes for this, one for the crease and one for the brow bone, and then I use my finger as well. So it's super easy to achieve. I just take any kind of brown, light, soft brown, and put that in your crease, build it up a little bit, fade it out towards the brow, and the crease is almost done. Like, literally nothing to it. Yeah, so what have you guys been up to while we do eyeshadow here? Now, I'm taking this shade on my finger and just applying it messily to the lid, and we'll blend it out, you'll see. And I really haven't been up to anything. I'm getting ready to start watching 13 Reasons, because the new season's coming out June the 5th. I don't know when this will be uploaded, but I'm excited for that. Real controversial show, but it's really good. Really well done in my opinion. And let's see, what else? I got a new camera. Wonder if you guys can tell. I think the quality is much better, and the shades look so true to color on my camera now. I'm loving it. I got a Canon PowerShot 360 HS, and yeah, we're just doing our brow bone and all that. I have using some products from Project Pan also in this video, if you noticed, and our eyes are almost done. I can't believe it. So quick, right? So quick. Very easy, super well put together. I look awake kind of look. I love it. And we're putting a shimmery shade in our inner corner. Now, the shade names will be in the description box, as well as all the other products if you're wondering, even what's on my nails. And yeah, my cuticles are messy. I didn't have time to clean them, and nor do I really care. So that's that. Let's see, I've been doing shopping. I also have an exciting haul to share. Exciting for me. I've never placed an order with ILMP, which is I Love Nail Polishes. Amazing, expensive luxury brand, indie brand. I love it. So I'm going to share that soon. Now, this is the AOA Studio Gel Eyeliner, and I was disappointed in this product as well. It swatches super black and it almost seems like it's not going to budge, but I've had issues with it in my waterline and not coming out a true black shade either. And I know for $1 you can't beat it, but at the same time I like my eyeliner to be a lot darker. And this is I use Wet n Wild brow pencil to do my waterline, and that was Believe Beauty Extend mascara, and so good. Now for lips, this is Hard Candy's All Matte Up Plus primer, and mine's broke. That's what I was showing you on the camera, but I still used it, and this one is in So Spicy, the lip crayon. Super beautiful. These are almost $5 each. Last a long time on your lips. The most comfortable matte formula I've ever used in my entire makeup usage of products. Does that make sense? Anyways, long time, many years, because I'm an old woman. Just turned 33. Can you believe it? How old do you guys think I look? I'm curious to know in the comments. Anyways, that's our look today. I hope you liked the little chatty chat. I also been watching Joshua Miles on YouTube, Kendall Ray, Danielle, Helen. If you like crime podcast kind of things, you'll love their channels. If you have a morbid curiosity, things like that, yeah, you'll probably really enjoy their channels. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the Get Ready With Me. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for additional links and a product list. And I thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay home, stay safe, stay blessed.